Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this box braid using thread or yarn. So first I did apply African shea butter to the hair to ensure that the scalp and the hair is moisturized. I was applying to the hair while parting the hair into sections for easy braiding. Keep watching to the end because I'll be showing you how I did start from the beginning to the end. And guys, remember this African threading or all the styles using the thread, they are the best because they don't break the hair and also they help to promote the hair growth. As long as you are not fixing the style too tight, your hair is going to grow faster while you are using the threading styles. And guys, if you are new to the channel, remember to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out anything that I'll be sharing with you. And if you are not new, you are already a subscriber, thank you for coming back and continue supporting me by watching my videos. So many ways of making box braids or fixing the box braids using thread or braiding hair. In this session I did use different ways to fix these styles, and the first one is the one that we use with the rubber bands, but I was removing the rubber band and holding the thread in the middle of the hair as if I'm going to use the rubber band, but then I just roll around and then I fix on the top with the other thread. Keep watching till the end so that you get other ways that I did use to fix this style, and the last one was the easiest way to fix.